Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for January to share with you, and it is Toyl, Time of Your Life subscription box. This is how it arrives in the post. Give you a quick sneak peek in there. I will open it up and show you in more detail. But if you're new to Toyl, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this January box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Toyl is a relatively new subscription box for midlife women that not only want quality treats each month, but products that actually work for them. From a source that tells them why they should use it, what's it made of, what's behind the blend, and how to use for game-changing results. Each box costs £35 a month and there's free shipping within the UK. All boxes have a value of over £100 and contain a mix of skincare, hair care, makeup and wellness products as well. All products are full-size or luxe travel sizes, and you are free to cancel any time before the 19th of the month. Also, what I really love about this subscription is that they release the contents for the next month's box at the end of every month. So around the 26th, 27th of the month, you will see on their website the contents for the next month, which will be the February box now. So if you are a regular subscriber and you think, no, that's not really a box for me, you are able to skip a month. So I really like that. Toyl is ran by an award-winning blogger and an award-winning Amazon best-selling author as well. And she has a book titled Time of Your Life. If you're interested in taking a look at that book, I'll pop a link down in my description. She has a lot of experience in the beauty world. She knows exactly how our skin changes and how it does differ from our 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s plus. There's a vast amount of information on their website. They have a big community where they upload podcasts and YouTube videos as well. And they've created this resource for women in midlife that can look at the challenges of midlife like menopause, weight gain, relationships, etc. In short, Toyl stands for a midlife community who love their age, want to look amazing, and want to be sure that the beauty regime is kind to them and the environment as well. There is lots of information on there, all links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have given me a code which will entitle you to have £5 off your first box, and you'll see it popped up on the screen, but I'll also pop that down in the description as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. This is how it arrives inside the box. They want to keep the packaging down to the minimum and also 100% recyclable. We had something similar in last month's box, and it's a little sheet detailing your morning routine and a nighttime routine if you'd like to follow. Then we got a little letter here from the owner of Toyl, Karen, and it just says, explore our products. I hope you are loving your Toyl box, but there's more to Toyl than products. Our podcast is something I'm really proud of and I hope that you will enjoy. Each week I interview with either the founder of a beauty brand we featured in the box or someone who's got something to say to midlife women about living well during these years. Our podcast can be found under free bits, so just take a look and see what grabs your fancy. They're just 20 minutes each. And it says also under free bits you will find my blog posts again. I usually post every week about life, beauty or anything else that has grabbed my interest during the week. I try not to make them too long either. And finally, I post on YouTube our unboxing video, a bit more detailed about individual products in the box, or Zoom interviews I've made with someone incredible that I've interviewed that week. Next we've got a leaflet then detailing everything about the products inside this box. It says it's January, I hope you had an amazing break and are ready to go out with our high performance skincare box. It's worth £199 and couples with the December and February boxes. What I'm working towards is to get every product that you need for a new skincare program into these 3 boxes. The Hum product, which I'll talk about first, is a collagen product, and as I discussed with the founder in a video coming out in January, it cannot be made with a vegan vegetarian alternative. If new subscribers let me know, I can substitute for Super Me by Life Armor, which is vegan, but I need to know when they order. Just email me at info@toyl.co.uk. This is a Hum Beauty Starts From Within Collagen Love, supports skin elasticity and firmness, grass-fed and pastured raised, dietary supplement with 90 capsules here. That's what the bottle looks like there. One key contributor to aging is reduced collagen production, leading to wrinkling, sagging and discoloration. Collagen Love contains a unique skin support and protection blend with type 1 and 3 collagen, essential for healthy young looking skin. I've noticed actually especially since I've entered my late 30s, early 40s, the skin around here, oh, that is changing quite a bit. It seems to be from here upwards. There's a big difference between my nose downwards with my skin. It might be due to hormonal acne that I had. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome. I'm on medication to control my acne, and thankfully I haven't had acne now for a good couple of years, but it's thanks to the medication I'm on. So yeah, definitely notice that there's a difference with the type of the skin texture. Yeah, I take quite a few supplements, so I'm gonna have to see if I'm able to take this alongside all the others that I take as well, or if they counteract with any medication I'm on, etc. I know, I do love the sound of this. The recommended retail price for these supplements is £44. As we get older, collagen decreases in the skin, and these fabulous supplements help replace collagen to give firmer, glowing skin. I really hope I can take them. If you are a vegan, vegetarian, she will send you these out instead, which are Life Armor, 100% natural nutrition, Super Me, reduces the effects of stressful lifestyle, enhancing mood, energy and focus, and there's 60 capsules there. Next we've got a product by Skin Sense, and this is by Abby Cleve. This is from the anti-aging range. Glycolic Peel and Reveal Pads, and there's 30 pieces in there. I'll just get them out and show you. There, I won't open them up straight away, but just to give you an idea, just to show you what they look like. So there's 30 in there. Skin Sense is a relatively new brand I've become aware of. It wasn't until a couple of months ago where I received a few products in a different subscription box that I knew anything about them. And then I've later found out that they do a lot of offers on QVC, and it's apparently a really, really brilliant brand. So to buy these pads, it will cost you £34, and it says, perfect for a deep exfoliation of the skin. These pads with a 1.5 glycolic solution helps to loosen the bonds between old skin cells, gently removing them to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Next, from the same brand, we've got an anti-aging double strength retinol night serum, and it says long lasting lamellar technology. Lamellar, I don't know what that means. Lamellar technology. And there's 30 mils here. Gently massage onto cleansed facial skin at night. During daytime, please use additional sun protection. The recommended retail price for the serum is £46. This lightweight serum combines an active encapsulated 0.6% retinol concentration with additional ingredients proven to support and improve the skin's texture and hydration levels. That sounds amazing. That sounds really, really good. Everyone around my age should be using some form of retinol on their skin. Definitely. And yeah, I can't wait to see what that is like. Next we've got a product by Codex Beauty, which I haven't heard of before, and this is Bia Day Cream, and this is restoring and hydrating, and there's 50 mils here. It's a little leaflet inside there. That's what it looks like there. The recommended retail price for this cream is £50. It's Bia Day Cream's lightweight formula is clinically proven to improve skin's hydration. It contains calendula, which moisturizes, soothes and protects skin, and sodium hyaluronate, which boosts skin's ability to absorb moisture and results in smoother, softer skin. Okay, little squirt. Oops, there we go. Oh, it feels really nice. Yeah, it feels really, really lovely. No scent really. I'm gonna have to look into this brand. So there's that. And lastly, we've got a lip balm, and this is by Bali Balm. This is lemon and black pepper. The packaging on this is gorgeous, really lovely. Slide it out there. See, it comes in its own little box. I know it's for your lips, but I just want to put out my hand just to show. It smells so nice. Oh, it smells so gorgeous. What is it? Lemon and black pepper. Yeah, it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It just smells like lemon cakes. Lemon little cupcakes. So the recommended retail price for this lip balm is £25. Bali Balm is 100% natural, plant-based, doesn't use any beeswax and is packed with luxurious, great-smelling vegan ingredients. Each Bali Balm is deeply moisturising with coconut oil and, most importantly, vegan candelilla wax. So those are all the products inside this month's Toyl box. I'll just gather them all up. So firstly, we've got some collagen supplements, and if you prefer the vegan alternative, then make sure to email Karen to let her know, and you'll receive these Life Armour supplements instead. Next, we've got Skin Sense Glycolic Peel and Reveal Pads. Next, we've got a Skin Sense Double Strength Retinol Night Serum. Then we've got a Codex Beauty Day Cream. And lastly, we've got a Bali Balm, a lemon and black pepper gorgeous lip balm. I forgot to mention as well that if you use my code to take out a subscription this month, you'll receive £5 off your box, but you'll also receive this Trilogy cleansing balm. That's for January boxes only. As with last month's box, my thoughts haven't changed. I do think this subscription is a really lovely subscription. If you were looking for one particular subscription, especially if you are around my age, say 35 and above, and you're looking for something that is catered for you, for your skin, by people that are in the know and really want you to get the best out of the products, then I truly recommend this box. It is on the pricier side of boxes, but as well as the products, which are all full size in this month's box, you do get a lot of background information as well, you know, like the YouTube videos, the podcasts, the interviews, etc. So you really get a feel of the products that you've been sent, and yeah, hopefully they will work for you. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you subscribed for January, or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.